Okay, this mains material on the screen. 127, 128, 129. There are three questions. Anybody any doubts in any one of these three questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. These four questions, 130, 131, 132, 133. Any doubts?
No, sir. 137, 168.
I'll come there. What is there on the screen? Anybody any doubts?
133.
Okay, 133.
133, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, 133. I want to directly write the augmented matrix. -2, 1, 1, A. 1, -2, 1, B. And 1, 1, -2, C. Yeah. Actually, very, very easy to see. When you add all the rows, you'll get 0, 0, 0. So simply write R3 as R3 plus R1 plus R2. -2, 1, 1, A, 1, -2, 1, B, 0, 0, 0, C. I am not aiming at...
Sir, A plus B plus C, sir.
Correct. Thank you. Yeah, I am not aiming at converting this into 0. I only want to convert these two into zeros. In the process, this becomes 0. Even this, I need to convert the 0, but I don't think it's very important here. But let me do it if you want. R2 as 2R2 plus R1. Multiply this with 2 and add. This will become 0. This will become -3. This will become 3. No, this will become -3. Yeah. This will become 3. This will become 2B plus A. Yeah. But still, you know already with a delta is 0. If you take determinant of this 0. So there is no question of unique solution. Either unique no solution or infinite solution. Everything depends on this. A plus B plus C equal to 0 means infinite solutions. And A plus B plus C not equal to 0 means no solution. Right? But otherwise it is 0 into x plus 0 into y plus 0 equal to non-zero number. That's very simple. Just try to convert the output into zeros. You will get only two cases. A plus B plus C 0 infinite solution. A plus B plus C not equal to 0 no solution. Is it clear? 133?
Yes.
Anybody else? Any other doubts in these four questions which are on the screen?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. 134. One thing maybe I did not I should have emphasized it more. What is that I want to say is whenever all the constants are 0, that is homogeneous equation. I said only two cases, right? Delta not equal to 0, it is a unique solution. And what is that unique solution? X0, Y0 and Z0. If you want non-zero solution or non-trivial solution or that is infinite solution, delta should be 0. You'll be quite surprised that similar questions are given in past year mains so many times. I sent you one PDF containing past year mains questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah, you
sir.
look at last 10-15 questions, all are same questions. Non-trivial solution, non-trivial solution, non-trivial solution, non-trivial solution. Like that you will find questions. What you have to do is simply only one thing, that delta equal to 0. Because only when delta is 0, you will get non-trivial solution. So just remember this blindly also, I don't care. Non-trivial solution means delta equal to 0. That's all. Okay, so 134, simply take the delta and expand it, determinant, you will get directly answer.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, this and advanced exams, JEE mains and advanced different syllabuses, sir.
No. JEE mains and advanced exactly same thing.
Okay, sir.
There's no difference in all the subjects. Only the toughness, the way of asking questions will be same. Even in JEE advanced exam, you will find 30% of the questions are very easy, like your regular board level questions also. You'll find another 30-40% at the mains level questions only. Another 30-40 will be little higher level. And you know, later on when you write exams, you'll understand. You know, even in single answer questions, sometimes you put you get option B, but you put option C, like that. You do some silly mistakes, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Especially if there is more than one answer question. Okay, there will be 4 options. Each option may be right, may be wrong. You have to understand. Let us say option A is right and you also kept it. Option B is right, you kept it. Option C is right, but you thought it is wrong. You did not keep it. Even though out of the 4 you could get 2 options, just because one option you judged it wrongly, you will get positive marks, you will get negative marks.
Negative.
Yeah.
Negative.
So that is where people lose marks. So just and some questions are little tough. You have to get a specific idea to do them. Anyway, as you write question.
136.
Yeah. 136, one may say in RHS something is there, like here lambda x is there, lambda y is there, lambda z is there.
Bring
Not
inside x common in first equation, x common 1 minus lambda, and second equation y common 1 minus lambda. Third equation 1
now it is
minus.
homogeneous. Homogeneous means non-trivial solution is at 0.
Oh, okay, sir. Understood.
Okay. I can even write it.
Yeah. Sir, means like det of A, I got 1 minus lambda whole cube minus 18 into 1 minus lambda.
Just expand and simplify it only.
Okay.
When you bring it one side, you'll get 1 minus lambda x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 0. And 3x plus 1 minus lambda y plus 2z equal to 0. And the other one, if you put 2x plus 3y plus 1 minus lambda z equal to 0. Okay, so I just brought the lambda x here, I brought here, lambda y I brought here, lambda z I brought here. Whenever all constants are 0, I said only 2 cases. Delta not equal to 0. Unique solution or 0 solution or trivial solution is x0, y0, z0. Whenever you want non-trivial solution, simply delta should be 0. So when I take delta, 1 minus lambda 2, 3, 3, 1 minus lambda 2, 2, 3, 1 minus lambda equal to 0. How to expand this? I'll expand the arrow method, the diagonally. Okay, you can expand anyway. I'll get 1 minus lambda whole cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube minus 3 times 2 into 3 into 1 minus lambda equal to 0. Now see, you don't have to waste, listen, don't have to expand this and get cubic equation. Okay, you don't have to show that you can expand fast and find. I'll tell you something easy. If I tell a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0, tell me when that can happen.
A plus b plus c equals to 0.
Is a plus b plus c equal to 0 is the only option, or is there any other option?
A equal to b equal to c.
A equal to
A equal to b equal to c. Yes. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. The factorization is a plus b plus c into, can you see this part? Yeah. Into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. I even told how this is equal to a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square by 2. If you want this to be 0, something square plus something square plus something square is 0. It is only possible when this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. A equal to b equal to c. It is exactly like that only. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay. So if you want it to be 0, you have 2 cases. One is 1 minus lambda plus 2 plus 3 equal to 0. That is for a plus b plus c to be 0. Or other option is 1 minus lambda equal to 2 equal to 3. That is not possible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is not possible. So only this. From this, you'll get lambda is equal to 6.
Okay.
If you expand, you'll get a cubic equation. By trial and error, you have to understand lambda equal to 6 will satisfy. There is a difficulty there.
Sir, you said a equals to b equals to c, then we get lambda 2 values, no sir.
No, that's why it is not possible. How can one lambda simultaneously have 2 values? See, 1 minus lambda equal to 2 equal to 3. You are saying this equal to this will 1 lambda, this equal to this 1 lambda, but these two should be equal now, first of all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so it is not possible. Satvika, you know something about max and determinant, or you don't know?
I studied in 9th class, sir.
Okay. Okay, may not be the details, but you know some idea about the chapter, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so you see, lot of questions we gave non-trivial solutions because in actual exams they were giving. That's the only reason we gave. Some of these are past year mains questions as it is also. Okay, up to 138. Anybody, any other doubt?
Sir, 137.
Okay.
Sir,
I'll tell you
sir,
137.
No need, sir. No need, sir. Because before that non-trivial solution,
Yeah, yeah.
know, so now I know, sir. I'll do it by that.
But even then, there is one small thing that if you notice, you can tell quickly. I'll tell you that also.
Okay, sir.
1, 2A. All of you tried these questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
1, 3B and 1, 4C equal to 0. Okay. Yeah, non-trivial solution means just blindly we can take that equal to 0. That is very simple. But now after this, from this the answer is A, B are in harmonic progression. I'll tell you how to do easily. Take A common here, B common here, C common here. You will get A, B, C into 1 by A, 2, 1, 1 by B, 3, 1, 1 by C, 4, 1 equal to 0. 1, 1, 1. Are they in arithmetic progression?
No, sir.
1, 1, 1. They are not in arithmetic progression.
Yes, sir. There is nothing.
2, 3, 4. Are they in arithmetic progression?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. If one row is in arithmetic progression, another row is in arithmetic progression. If third row also is in arithmetic progression, then that will be 0, right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I can say 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. Their reciprocals are in HP. So ABs are in HP. Done.
Okay, sir. Sir, but one doubt, sir. 1, 1, 1. How are they AP?
Common difference 0.
It is 0.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So even if you expand it, you can get the same thing. Or somebody, let us say, not so happy that they should be in AP. You can do one thing. You write R1 as R1 plus R3 minus 2R2. See what happens. You will get 1 by A plus 1 by C minus 2 by B, 0 here, 0 here. Here 1 by B, 3, 1. Here 1 by C, 4, 1. When you expand, this should be 0. Okay. That means 1 by A plus 1 by C should be 2 by B. Means 1 by A, 1 by B and 1 by C are in AP. Their reciprocals A, B, C are in HP. Okay. If you directly expand also, it will come. If somebody expanded this directly, you know what they should do? They should divide with ABC after getting the expression. If somebody expand directly, you know, they may end up like BA plus BC equal to 2AC. They may get like this. If you expand this directly. Then divide with ABC all over. This will become 1 by C. This will become 1 by A. This will become 2 times 1 by B. From that, you can tell 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. So ABs are in HP. So you expand directly also okay, or you do like this also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this system of equation solving, in the beginning there are questions about when you have unique solution, when you have infinite solution, when you have no solution.
Sir,
Later on,
138, sir, 138, once you can scroll up, sir. Yes, sir, that 138 question.
Okay, that is also det equal to 0. After that, you are split into two determinants.
18 to 2 determinants, sir.
Yeah. So when I take this A square A cube plus 1, B square B cube plus 1, C square C cube plus 1. If I split it, it is A square A cube, B square B cube, C square C cube plus A square 1, B square 1. Yeah. This that should be 0. All the coefficients, then split into two things. You can take A common, B common, C common, you will get ABC. You will get 1A square, 1B B square, 1C C square. Here, if I do cyclic orders, the same thing will come. For last column first, first column becomes second column becomes third column. Okay. Now this and this are same, take common, you will get 1A square, 1B B square, 1C C square into ABC plus 1 equal to 0. This can't be 0. This should be 0. I think ABC equal to minus 1 is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Why this can't be 0 is because this determinant is actually A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. If A, B, C are distinct, this is not 0, this is not 0, this is not 0. So the extra factor which is there, A, B, C plus 1, that should be 0.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's why option A. Okay. 139. I think it's a lengthy question. Anybody doubt about 139?
No, sir.
You got easily? Who said it?
Numbers are little big, sir. Otherwise, it's easy.
Acha. Okay. All right. Any doubt about 140 or 141?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. 142 or 143?
143. 142.
142.
142 and 3, sir.
142 again non-trivial solution is that equal to 0. That you will get it. Is it okay?
143, sir, once again.
Yeah. I think 143, what you have to notice is B into B transpose identity matrix.
Okay, sir. B is orthogonal matrix.
Yeah, correct. And once its identity is gone, we will be left with only A power 5. How to find A power 5? To find A square and A cube, you will find a pattern. You
Yes.
can easily guess what will come A power 5. You will get that first or second element is 5 will come.
Okay.
Anybody want me to write a 143 solution on the board?
Sir, actually, no, sir. It's your wish after this.
No, if anybody wants, I'll write. If they are clear,
No need,
I
sir.
don't.
Actually.
144. Anybody any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 144. Really, you have to write all the equations and try to solve. Of course, I can pull up all the matrices together. Yes, please.
143 B into B transport. I'm not getting it as identity matrix.
Not getting, just let me check. You might have done B into B. You have to do B into B transpose. Let me try to write that. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, I have to write 1 by 2 here, minus 1 by 2, and root 3 by 2. Yeah. If I take first row into first column, we'll get 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. If I take first row into second column, minus root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4. Second row into first column, minus root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4. Second row into second column, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. This is 0 gone, this is 0 gone, this is 1, this is 1. Identity matrix coming now?
Yes, sir. I did wrong. I wrote
Yeah.
B into B.
Yeah. Cooper, you tried all these questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Harika, you tried all these questions? No response. Himabindu, you tried these questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, 144.
Sir, equation means like it's in the
No,
form-
that means you assume A as really one matrix A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. And they gave A into, let me write that, okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I into minus 1, 2, 3. No, not minus, yeah, 0, 1, 0. Sorry. 0, 1, 0. equal to minus 1, 2, 3. Okay. First row into first column will give me b equal to minus 1. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, please.
from first equation, B will get minus 1. Like that, sir?
Yeah, but some equations, let us not waste time in finding them because we are only interested in trace. So I should not. I should worry about what I'm interested in. I'm interested in finding A, E, I only. So I don't want to waste my time finding other things.
Okay, sir.
So this into this gives me B, but let me not write. But this into this gives me E, that is equal to 2. So E equal to 2 is good, right?
Sir, means like D in, oh yes, sir. Yes, sir. E is equal to 2.
Second row into this column.
First, understood, sir. Understood.
I will get B and H also, but for example, B minus 1 will come, H 3 will come. Let me not, I don't have any use of
Yes, sir.
it.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Understood.
Okay. Yeah. So first equation gave me E and gave me two more things, but I am not going to use it. But second equation, 1 minus 1, 0 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1. And the third one, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Yeah. So this into this will give me
A is
plus
equal to 1, sir. No, sir. Sorry, sir. A plus B. Yes, sir. A minus B is equal.
okay, sorry. A minus B equal to 1.
A
Yeah.
minus B is equal to 1. Yes, sir. B we know, sir, minus 1. So A is.
Oh, acha. So the B that we wrote here is required. Correct?
Yes, sir. A plus 1 is equal. A plus 1 is equal to 1. Then A is 0, sir.
Okay, okay. So, okay. Actually, we are getting three different equations. It's okay. I'll tell you something else that can be done. Okay. It's okay. Nothing wrong. Do like this. Really find A, E, I. But I'll tell you something.
Okay, sir.
Can I combine all these three together as A, B, C, D, E, F into 0, 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 12.
Sir, GHI, sir. GHI.
Sir, GH.
Oh, okay. GHI. See, this I kept it as first column, this I kept it as second column, this I kept it as third column. Similarly, this as first column here, this as second. I can change the order. If I put as this first, this also I have to put first. Okay. All these three put together are there in this. Will you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now, there's an advantage because here, first equation directly gave me something, it's okay. But otherwise, when I try to solve, this alone is not useful to me because one equation is coming in terms of ABC, another is in terms of DEF, another in terms of GHI. But here I can do one thing. First row into first column, I'll equate it to this. First row into second column, I'll equate it to this. First row into third column, I'll equate it to this. Basically, I'm using this element, and this element. There, all three equations are in terms of ABC. At least I can solve and find ABC separately, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Of course, I am not interested in B and C. Okay. So let us see. After writing like this, let us write only first row related things. What I will get? B is equal to 1 minus 1. This into this is this. This into this is A minus B equal to 1. This into this is A plus B equal to 0. Okay. So if I put B minus 1, I'll get A1 here. Something wrong. This into this is only B is equal to minus 1. This into this is A minus B equal to plus 1. This into this is A plus B equal to 0. But they are not matching the data.
Yes, sir. A plus B, how?
Then one should.
I wrote something wrong. Minus 1, 2, 3 correct. 1, 1, minus 1 is correct. 0, 0, 12 correct. Here B is 1. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. B is 1. And B is 1 means A is even then some problem.
Sir,
Yeah.
Sir, B
It should be
minus 1 correct only, no, sir?
sir, in 0, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, sir.
Okay, I wrote something wrong. You are saying
In third column, sir.
third column 0, 0, 12. No? Oh, this is 1, 1, 1. Yeah, thank you. Sorry, I was worried about that. Yeah. So this is A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Yeah, that's
Yes,
it.
sir. A is equals to 0, sir, and B is equal to minus 1.
Yeah. When you put B minus 1, A will come 0. And when you put A 0, B minus 1, C will come 1. But I will save the time of finding C. I don't need C, right? Why to find?
No, sir.
I'm only interested in A, E, and I. Okay. Now, similarly, take second row. Second row, I don't need everything. Directly, I'll get E equal to 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's it. Other two equations, this into this, time waste. I will not even write it. Coming to third, I'm only interested in I. This into
Sir,
this.
how E is equals to 2?
How? Oh,
E equals to 2.
second row into first column is what?
Yeah, okay, sir.
That is this, right? Okay. And directly third row into third column is giving me 12, IS 12. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
No, it is not giving.
Green
E
G
plus
and
H.
H.
Wait. Sorry. Third row into first column will give me H equal
H
to
equal
3. Third row into second column, G minus H equal to minus 1.
G
After that, G plus H plus I equal to 12. Okay.
Sir,
So-
then we can say, G is equals to 2. Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry. G is equal
Okay.
to, yes, sir. 2 only, sir. G is equal to.
Yeah. Okay. So anyway, you have to find H, substitute that here, you will get G, and substitute that G and H, you will get I. Okay.
I is
It has-
7, sir.
E is 7, sir.
Yeah. So we got E equal to 2 easily. Out of all, we got E easily because second row into first.
Yes, sir.
And first row into first column, second column, third column gave us 3 equations, but third equation is not required for us. And we could find A value. First we found B as minus 1, next we found A as 1, I think. Right?
0, sir.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
A is 0, sir.
A
A
0.
0, sir.
Okay. And here all 3 equations are required. We find H first, substitute that, you will get G,
Sir,
substitute
then
that, you will get
S
I.
is 9, sir.
You got 0 plus 7 plus 2 is 9. Yes, you're right. Okay. Now, if somebody says why to find like this, I want to find the whole matrix. You can do that. Multiply with inverse on both sides. This I call A. This whole thing I'll call B. This whole thing I'll call C. This B send that side as B inverse on the right side only, not on the left. Because this one on the right side, you have to multiply with B inverse on the left side. You really find inverse matrix of this, put it here, multiply with C, you will get A. You will get full matrix A, not just diagonal elements. Or solve equations wise also, whichever you feel easy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 145. Anybody doubt?
Yes. Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, one thing about 145 is if you wanted to find A minus I matrix separately, A minus 2I matrix separately, A minus 3I matrix separately, you can use Cayley-Hamilton theorem also.
Cayley-Hamilton theorem you explained in class, sir.
Yeah, you are not there when I explained or what?
Cayley-Hamilton theorem, sir.
Yes, when I explained, you are there or not?
Sir, no,
Because
sir.
no, this is the last class I discussed Cayley-Hamilton theorem. The last maths and determinant class, I discussed Cayley-Hamilton theorem.
No, sir. Just sorry, sir. Briefly, can I explain, sir?
Maybe you don't remember. Characteristic equation. Take that of A minus lambda I. You remember anything like that?
Sir,
Did you?
once I'll check my notes, sir.
Okay, but have you missed any classes in the recent time?
Actually, no, sir. That's what I'm surprised.
Okay. Okay, others remember Cayley-Hamilton theorem, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us see this 1 0 0 0 2 1. I don't know, it depends on or not, but let me just try.
So can you all just screen sharing for the
Yeah. What is Cayley-Hamilton theorem is you take A minus lambda I determinant equal to 0 or A minus xi. When you expand this, you will get a cubic equation and matrix A should satisfy that. Not just cubic, if it's
Oh,
2 by 2.
sir. Sir, you told that this is actually not for syllabus. That
Yeah.
was-
Yes.
Okay,
correct,
sir.
right.
Yes, sir. I was there, sir. I was there.
Okay,
But
so
I
this
did
is
not
1 minus x,
Cayley-Hamilton.
0 0 0 2 minus x 1 1 0 3 minus x equal to 0. Okay, so you really multiply identity matrix with x and subtract here and find determinant. What is this determinant? I want to extend by anyway. Okay, 1 minus x into this is 2 minus x into 3 minus x. This is equal to 0. This is a determinant, right? This into this and this is 0. That's good. Okay, fine. Now, instead of expanding and then substituting matrix A, I can, let me take minus common everywhere. I can write this as x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. If I expand, I may get x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equal to 0. Then I said you can substitute matrix A here and say A cube minus 6a square plus 11a minus 6i equal to null matrix. You remember that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So instead of substituting there, I will substitute matrix A here itself. Why to substitute after expanding? I'll substitute before expanding. So it will become A minus I. Because I said constant, to take constant identity matrix. And this is A minus 3i equal to null matrix. Done. Right?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, I have to find A minus I matrix separately, A minus 2i separately, A minus A separately, and multiply them. I think at the end, answer will become null matrix. Okay. I want somebody to give me an explanation for 146.
Sir, a square is I, sir. A
Okay.
square minus I will be 0.
Yes, correct. Not 0, null matrix. Yes, correct.
And
We applied it.
A minus I into A plus I equals to null matrix.
You apply det. Okay. You will get det of A plus I into det of A minus I is equal to 0. But how will you conclude that of A minus I only, A plus I only should be 0? Why not that of A minus I is 0?
Of A minus I will be 0, that of A plus I is 0. Sir.
No, why that of A plus I must be 0? That of A minus I also can be 0, no?
If that of A minus I is 0, it's not given the options. So it has A plus I equal to 0.
Okay. Anybody want to
Sir,
comment
if
that?
that of A,
Yes. Kaushik, go ahead.
sir, if that of A minus I is 0, A should be equal to identity matrix.
It's okay, but not fully correct. You know why? For a null matrix, that is 0. That is correct. But you are saying when that is 0, it has to be null matrix. That of A minus I is 0 doesn't mean A minus I is null matrix, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So there are 2-3 more questions of this type. There is one logic. I said I want to write some notes and I want to send to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So maybe at that time I can send some notes about. Maybe I can give some idea. Let me finish other doubts and then come back to that concept. I even thought of teaching that class that concept, record it and send it if time is not there, not just give notes. Especially when somebody misses a class, copying notes is good, it helps you something, but everything will not be there on the paper, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I come back to
Yeah.
146. Yes, please.
Sir, advanced level of questions also will discuss, sir.
If today time is not there, tomorrow we'll discuss. Not a problem.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, please.
if A minus A is 0, then A minus A will be null matrix, sir.
No. If that is 0, why the matrix should be null matrix? Even non-null matrix also will have that 0, no? For determinant to be 0, is it that only null matrix have that is 0, or there are a lot of other non-null matrices also that is 0?
Non-null matrices also that is 0 under many conditions.
Yes, correct. Anyway, somebody asked about 139. Okay. Shashidhar, you want to send your solution in the group for 139?
Okay, sir, I'll send you.
Okay. So somebody asked doubt about 139. You look at the solution. Otherwise, tomorrow also I'll discuss doubts.
Okay, sir. Sir, 146.
Subhash, is it okay?
Sir, 146 we should multiply with A minus I, sir.
No, A square equal to I is given in the question only, right?
Yes, sir.
That is just write A plus I into A minus I. That's what they're saying.
Sir, that sir, I also said means A minus A plus I into A minus I we should do. I asked this.
Yeah, yes, that only. Then I apply that on both sides.
Okay, sir.
But still, there is some more logic. I'll explain to you. Okay. Now, numerical questions.
Numerical type questions are easy only, sir. I think.
Yeah. Many of them are quite simple. Anybody doubt about first two questions in numerical thing?
Yes, sir. Both.
Which one? Both are doubts?
Yes, sir.
Both, sir.
Okay, let me discuss that. Okay, somebody said they have doubt about first and second question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, I'll explain. If somebody has any doubts left, don't worry. Okay, we'll have one more session. We'll clarify your doubts. Not a problem.
Sir, we can directly, we can directly send our questions to your WhatsApp.
No. Because if I clarify to you in WhatsApp, now others I will not be able to clarify because same doubt many people have. That's the reason I'm waiting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Very first question here. A is equal to x, 2y minus 1 and y. And A into A transpose is 1, 0, 0 alpha. And what is alpha plus y square? Okay. Let me find really A into A transpose. X 2y minus 1y and its transpose is x2, first row is first column, minus 1y equal to 1, 0, 0 alpha. This into this x square plus 4y square. This into this minus x plus 2y square. This into this minus x plus 2y square. This into this
1
plus y square
Yes.
is 1, 0, 0 alpha. So total we get 3 equations because these two are same. So one equation is x square plus 4y square equal to 1. From this x equal to 2y square. From this 1 plus y square equal to alpha.
They are asking what is the value of alpha plus y square. Sir.
Okay.
Sir,
3 equations, 3 unknowns.
yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, please.
as we got x is equals to 2y square, we can substitute in the first equation, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You will get quadratic equation in terms of x. We'll get
From there only I didn't get, sir. Once.
Yeah, I'll try. Okay, so I'll erase this part first. Yeah, so this you write x here. Oh, that itself is coming third. That means 1 plus or minus root 3 like that is coming. Okay.
We are getting, if we substitute 2y square, it's coming y is equal to 0 or y is equals to 1 by 2, sir.
You want to substitute x as 2y square, huh?
Yes, sir. We are getting x is equal to 1 by 2 or x is equal, sorry, sir, y is equal to 1 by 2 or y is equal to 0, sir.
No,
Sir,
no,
now
wait.
I think we can substitute in 1 plus y square is equal to alpha.
That's okay, wait. But if I put 2y square as x, it will become x square plus 2x equal to 1. X square plus 2x equal to 1. Now x is coming third, right?
Sir, sir, no, sir, actually, sir, if we keep 2y square in x place, x square, 4y to the power of 4 plus 4y square, sir. 4y square, if we take common, it is coming y square plus 1.
But equal to not 0, right? Equal to 1.
Yes, yes, sir, equal to 1 only. If y square plus 1 is equal to 1, then y square is equal to 1.
A into B 0 means A is 0 or B is 0. You cannot say A into B equal to 1 means A is 1 or B is 1. You cannot say that, right?
Yes, sir. That's why, sir. If y is coming 0, sir. If y square plus 1 is equal to 0, y square is 0, no, sir.
What are you saying? I don't understand at all. You substitute 2y square there. You will get 4y power 4 plus 4y square equal to 1. You take 4y square common, y square plus 1 equal to 1. From this, what is that you want to conclude? You want to say this should be 1 or this should be 1?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No, only when product is 0, only you can say one of them must be 0. When product is 5, you cannot say one of them must be 5. And product is 1, you cannot. Yeah.
Now we can substitute y square plus 1 as alpha.
You want to substitute y square plus 1 as alpha. Okay, you can substitute it, then you will get x in terms of alpha, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anyway, just we got these equations. We are interested in alpha plus y square. Okay. Even without finding alpha and y square, we may be able to do it. We may not be able to do it. Let us see that. But let us do normally. Anyway, if I substitute this as x by 2, I can get alpha as 1 plus x by 2 also. Okay. Anyway, we'll put x here. Yes, please.
Sir, without taking, we can solve it by only two equations, x is equal to 2y square and 1 plus y square is equal to alpha. By taking these two equations only, can we solve?
If now 2 equations, 3 unknowns, we cannot find it. At best, you can get this in terms of x. Am I right?
Sir, that x is equal to 2y square is determined. We will try to
yeah. You can add 2 directly.
Add RHS. Sir.
Yeah, multiply this with 2 on both sides. You want to do that?
No, sir.
No,
we will add y square.
Sir.
You want me to add these two?
We will. No, sir.
Okay, got it. X plus 1 plus y square equal to 2y square plus alpha. 1 y square will cancel. You will get x plus 1 equal to y square plus alpha. Are you saying this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Add these two equations. We got this. Okay. Now.
Yeah. Y square plus alpha value directly we got. Sir, means like they're asking in real constants.
We got.
But we got.
They asked alpha plus y square only.
Yeah, but answer is not x plus 1. Answer is just number, man. Constant, numerical.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If the answer would have been options like where x plus 1 is there, it is not that. Okay. Yeah. Answer is what? 1.41. It is some kind of square root. I'll tell you why it is coming like that. I'll show you. Okay. It is actually root 2 will come. 1.414. I'll show you that.
Okay.
Okay. So now what to do is you have to find x plus 1, right? So as somebody said, in the place of this, you substitute it. You will get x square. This 4y square will become 2x. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2y square is x, so 4y square is 2x equal to 1. Add 1 on both sides, you will get x plus 1 whole square equal to 2. That is x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay. I can even find the quadratic equation roots also. Let me just write 1 minute. I said I want to write this equation as 2 times 2y square equal to 1. And the 2y square is this. Now, how to deal with this? There are 2 ways.
Sir, quadratic formula. Sir.
Yeah, directly you can use, right? Minus 2 plus or minus b square is 4 plus 4 by 2. That is a minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 by 2. That is minus 1 plus or minus root 2. Or add 1 on
Completing
both
square
sides.
method is easier. Sir.
Yeah, 1 plus 1, you will get x plus 1 whole square equal to 2, which is root 2 whole square. You will get x plus 1 equal to plus or minus root 2. Send that side. You will get x equal to minus 1 plus root 2 minus 1 minus root 2. But x negative, I want to reject. I want to take this only. Anybody want to tell why? X can't be negative. Anybody want to tell why? Yes, Shanmukh. Anybody? X can't be negative.
Sir, can I, sir?
Because we are finding alpha plus y square is positive and alpha is negative.
Alpha is positive or not, we don't know, right?
It's a real
Sir, can I, sir? Because x is equals to 2y square. 2y square is there, no, sir. Y square is
Yes.
always positive and 2 is also positive.
Yeah, this is always positive. That's why this is positive. Of course, even somebody said alpha is positive also correct because 1 plus y square is there, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
In fact, you can even write here alpha is 1 plus y square and try to find 1 plus 2y square also. It's the same thing. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Anyway, so what is that? So now this x plus 1, I should only take plus root 2 but not minus root 2. So you can put root 2 here. So answer is root 2, which is 1.414 because it's a number less than 5. Neglect it when you round it off to 2 decimals. That's how answer is 1.41. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir, that sir, there x plus 1 plus y square, 2y square you substituted from first equation, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yes, sir. Understood.
This 2y square is substituted here. You can do it different ways. I'm not saying this one way. But you can find alpha clearly, y square clearly, x clearly. All values can be found. Okay?
Okay, sir.
In fact, why this x plus 1 and all? Somebody can, you want alpha plus y square, simply place the place of alpha, substitute this, will get 1 plus y square, which is 1 plus 2y square.
In
Right.
place of 1 plus 2, in place of 2y square, we can substitute x.
Yeah,
And
in
one
the place of
against
2y
it
square,
plus
substitute it. You will
1
get
plus x.
4y power 4, 4y square equal to 1. Similar process, you can do it. Add 1 on both sides. This is 2y square plus 1 whole square. Y is equal to 2. This is more easy because you'll get root 2 whole square. You'll get 2y square plus 1 equal to plus or minus root 2. This is positive, so why to take minus root 2? Reject it. Directly plus root 2 will come. That is easier.
Okay.
Right? Yeah.
Sir, can you write it clearly the last statement, sir?
Yeah, I'll write it. I'll write everything. Just 2 minutes. Okay, so you really multiply A into A transpose equated to identity matrix. These are the 3 equations that we got. Correct? Now the question is alpha plus y square, what it is. In the place of alpha, you substitute 1 plus y square plus this extra y square, which will become 1 plus 2y square. Keep it like that. Now coming to this x I'll substitute 2y square. I'll get 2y square whole square plus 4y square equal to 1. Square it or keep it like that. This is 2y square whole square. This I'm going to write 2 into 2y square into 1. Add 1 on both sides. This is a perfect square as 2y square plus 1 whole square equal to 2, which is root 2 whole square. I'll get 2y square plus 1 equal to plus or minus root 2. But 2y square plus 1 can't be negative because so only plus root 2 is correct, minus root 2 is not correct. So this 1 plus 2y square is root 2, which is 1.414, which is approximately 1.4. Is it okay now?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so other doubts I'm going to discuss. Saturday, I don't think I'll teach mathematical induction. I'll close mathematical induction by tomorrow in the class only. Saturday again, I'll clarify your rest of the doubts in maths and determinants. Is that okay?
Sir,
Yes. Saturday we might not.
Saturday we don't have class.
Saturday, you don't have classes?
Yes, sir. Your mother.
They announced to you already?
Partner, sir.
No,
second
sir, but
class.
Next sir.
Yeah. I already know about it because they did not announce official. That's why I not told you. Most probably they'll conduct extra classes for late joining students. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For you,
Sir,
they'll
one
give
doubt,
time.
sir.
Listen. For you, they'll give time for exam preparation. Okay. But Saturday, others may not take class, but I'll take class and clarify your doubt. What is the big deal? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir,